out some melons one by one, bouncing in the wagon, oh what fun! 10 watermelons in a farmer's cart, riding down the road with a jiggly start. Bumpity bump, one bounced away, that leaves 9 on a sunny day. 9 watermelons, bright and green, wiggling around like jelly beans. One rolled off with a plop and a grin, now we're down to only 8 in the bin. 8 watermelons, snug and sweet, rolling in time to the wagon beat. One took a leap and flew off to heaven, now there's just a jiggly 7. 7 watermelons bumping in a row, one got dizzy and had to go. It rolled off fast with a giggle and kicks, that leaves us with only 6. Roll, roll, roll along, watermelons bouncing to the counting song. Juicy, sweet, and full of cheer, count them loud for all to hear. 6 watermelons full of juice, one popped out like a big caboose. It landed soft in a pile of hay, now 5 are left to sway and play. 5 watermelons going for a ride, one took a tumble off the side. Kerplop! It fell in the tall, tall grass, that leaves 4 rolling past. 4 watermelons having fun, bumping and bouncing in the sun. One rolled off with a squeaky squeal, now there's only 3 left on the wheel. 3 watermelons, what a sight! One rolled off to the left, not right. It went boing, boing, and into the blue. Only 2 melons now rolling through. 2 watermelons side by side, one did a flip and took a ride. It landed soft with a happy hum, that leaves 1, and here it comes. 1 watermelon, round and red, bouncing alone with a bobbing head. Then it jumped, boing, and rolled